The Bangladesh Air Force has released a request for proposals for an unmanned aerial system for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations. Bangladesh Air Force is requiring the UAV to have a maximum speed of 200 km per hour or more and a flight ceiling of approximately 20,000 feet, with a minimum payload of 120 kg across 3 hardpoints and a 1,000 km range. Based on the Air Force requirements, the leading UAV contenders would likely come from China and Turkey. Sukhoi Su-30 SME is the latest and the most advanced variant of the Su-30 flanker family. Russia has signed a contract with the Bangladesh to supply 8 units of Su-30 SME. It is super maneuverable and carry a wide range of weapons, including air-to-air, air-to-surface, guided and unguided bombs with a total weapons weight up to 8,000 kg. It can engage aerial threats, ground and naval surface targets. It can also conduct electronic countermeasures and early warning tasks. The VT-5 is a Chinese third-generation light tank intended mainly for reconnaissance and infantry support operations. It will be delivered within 2020. Bangladesh Army signed a contract with China for 44 units of VT-5 with an additional option to purchase 100 more in the future. It has a modern fire control system with a hunter-killer engagement capability and have more mobility than a standard main battle tank. T-300 Kasirga is an all-weather 302mm multi-barrel rocket system with a 100 km firing range. Bangladesh confirmed purchasing of T-300 from Turkey. Each launcher vehicle has 4 cylindrical tubes for TR-300 rocket with 150 kg of cluster munitions to take out a variety of targets such as fortifications, infrastructures, armored vehicles, and etc. The AW-159 Wildcat is the multi-mission military helicopter. It is capable of search and rescue, anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, and troop transport missions. Its state-of-the-art avionics and mission systems provides excellent crew situational awareness with a high level of survivability and crashworthiness. Bangladesh ordered 2 units of AW-159 for its navy. The AH-64E Apache is the world's most advanced multi-role combat helicopter with integrated avionics and weapons, as well as advanced digital communications. In January 2020, Boeing confirmed that Bangladesh has selected AH-64E Apache. It is designed for armed reconnaissance, close air support, and combat missions in adverse weather conditions. Kronos Land is a mobile multi-mission 3D radar for air surveillance and defense based on the latest generation ESA technology. Bangladesh ordered an undisclosed number of Kronos radar from Leonardo. It detects and tracks any type of air and maritime threat such as missiles, low-level UAVs, hovering helicopters, rockets and artillery blasts, as well as vessels and highly maneuverable surface targets. The Z-9C is an anti-submarine warfare variant of the Harvey Z-9 military utility helicopter. It is able to carry and launch 2 lightweight torpedoes. Bangladesh Navy is procuring 2 Z-9C from China for shipborne anti-submarine warfare and search and rescue missions. Apurbo Bangla is the inshore patrol vessels of the Bangladesh Coast Guard, currently undergoing sea trials. It has a top speed of 23 knots with a maximum range of 1500 nautical miles. The ship is armed with 2 Oerlikon KBA 25mm guns and 2 14.5mm guns. The Showbuz Bangla is a class of inshore patrol vessels of the Bangladesh Coast Guard, currently under sea trials. The ships are 51.4 meter long and 7 meter wide with a displacement of 297 tons. It has a top speed of 23 knots and are armed with two Oerlikon KBA 25mm guns and two 14.5mm guns. Talashi class is a hydrographic survey ship of Bangladesh, currently under sea trials. It will have a length of 32.78 meter and width of 8.40 meter with two 600 horsepower engines.